Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be taking you on a walk along the banks of the river at Comrie. It's a short 3-mile flat walk and is perfect for any day out. We start at the free car park in Comrie and head south out of the town. The path follows the river and it is a really scenic walk. There are plenty of opportunities to stop and take in the views, and the dogs love playing in the water. After a little while, we turn left and cross open fields. This gives you a change of scenery and views back to Comrie and the lovely hills. Finally, we head back through Comrie to the car park. We're all a bit wet and muddy, but we had a great time. So that's it for the walk along the banks of the river at Comrie. It's a great way to spend a wet day and the dogs loved it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking for a fun and easy walk to do on a wet day, I highly recommend checking out the walk along the banks of the river at Comrie. It's a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors, even when the weather isn't perfect. Thanks for watching.